Hey guys, Abhishek here. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing good. Thank you for your support to my videos out there on the channel as always. And I hope you have liked my recent two videos where I've been to some of the coolest and exotic places in North Goa, having super fun out there with my cousins. And if you have messed it out, I'll be sharing the links in the description below. So in this video, I'll be covering the day 3 of our trip where we were mostly doing water sports and had super fun. To be honest, it was the first time that I did water sports, and yeah, the frames in the background, the left side frame is of day 1 near the Goa Ghat section, and right side is of day 2 at Osran Beach. These two photos are my personal favorite, and this is the first time I've put up the frames of mine. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button to receive the notifications of my upcoming videos. Lastly, let's do some good karma. We started around 10:30 a.m. from our hotel at Kalangat after having breakfast and reached Lighthouse Aquada at 11:30 a.m. Filled up with dark brick stretch within the sea waters, Fort Aquada is considered one of the best places to visit in North Goa. It invites the visitors even from far to take a walk in, take a peek into the sea differently, and get clicked in a movie style. Embrace the old construction and military architecture here, along with the lighthouse that stands tall. One can witness the confluence of Mandovi River in the Arabian Sea from here, and the fort is a witness to the same since years. Fort Aguada is located at the southern tip of the Candolim Beach and is open from 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. There is no entry fee. We spent around an hour and a half clicking photos and admiring the Portuguese architecture, after which we started to Candolim Beach, which is less than a kilometer. Candolim Beach is one of the best places to explore if you want to have an immersive Goan experience. It is part of the Goan trio of Baga, Kalangut and Candolim beaches, where all the happening parties take place. This beach is usually less crowded than other northern beaches, and many foreigners prefer this beach. We were mainly here for water sports, where we signed up for banana ride, parasailing, bumper ride and jet ski. The best time to visit this place is between April and November. First we headed for parasailing in a speedboat a kilometer into the sea from the beach to get into a bigger speedboat that has the parasailing setup. This was the best sport among the other three. I truly enjoyed because honestly I didn't board an aeroplane till date, and the bird's eye view was super awesome. Then we did jet ski, where it was super cool riding on the waves. Banana ride is the freakiest sport which I will remember forever. You're dragged a kilometer into the sea by sitting on an inflated tube which is tied to the speedboat and then flipped over. I fell headfirst into the sea, going half a meter down and gulping the seawater. For a couple of seconds I thought I was dead until I came out afloat and took a deep breath. Honestly, this was the moment my balls dropped off because I don't know swimming, and I was feeling that my body is being sucked into the sea in spite of the life jacket, and I was desperate to get onto the tube. I felt like I was holding on to my life until I reached the beach and wanted this adventure to end. My cousins wanted to experience this again and promised to pay the guys 100 or 200 more to flip the tube again while going towards the beach. The after effects of the ride, I was lying there for 15 to 20 minutes just thinking about the moment I came afloat from within. From Candoling, we headed towards Newton, did a bit of shopping and then had lunch in a restaurant opposite to it. It was around 4:30 or 5 PM. We had our lunch and then we headed towards the sunset point at Anjuna. We missed the sunset but had a great time here doing long exposure shots. From here, we headed to Mapusa to do a bit of shopping for our families back in our hometown. That's all for day 3. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel.